and welcome to R&D Models with Rick and Brandy. Today we will be reviewing Chevell's 1939 Chevy Sedan Delivery. We will be building this on the channel. This is one I've been extremely excited about. Rick's going to go through everything that is in the kit.
Alright, of course it's 39 Chevy. I've never built one of these, so this will be new for me for one of these. But it's got some artwork of it on there. On this side it's got pictures of the actual model underneath, showing the exhaust system and showing the engine over here with the barrels, front end, in the back swing gate back there. Alright, we're going to start with the chrome. We got your chrome wheels, some emblems, your intake, your part of your intake. Here's your shifter, here's your front bumpers and grill, valve covers, some license plate holders, antenna. Here's what looks like your headlights, and side marker lights, and mirror. Here's your body. That's a panel version. You got the, looks like it's pretty well, nice shaped. Looks like you can cut it out for the sunroof if you want to. But I'm sure Brandy ain't gonna want that. Here's your interior tub assembly, I guess is the easy way to put it, with fenders on it, and here's your rear floor. Got the pedals in there, transmission tunnel there. Looks pretty solid, looks pretty straight. Here's your hood. Looks like got vents in the side. Got the emblem on there. You got where you can put the emblem on the hood. Here's your clear windows. That's different setup, but here's your rear windshield. Looks like your back glass, sunroof, for your headlights. But this is a curious setup here. I don't know what's up with that. I don't know what that would be for. Alright, here's looks like your seat, your back gate, fan shroud, couple of things. Here's your front end, solid front axle on there, looks like. There's your dash, your engine, transmission, all got to put them together. Here's your steering wheel, belt assembly, and your wheel hubs. Here's your frame. Looks like the exhaust. It's all moving, dual exhaust. Looks like glass packs on there. Brandy loves the glass packs.
I hate them on my Cutlass.
Here's your bucket seats with seat backs, timing chain cover, your rear end with the leaf springs on it. Looks like sun visor, and your shocks. Here looks like okay, you got some headers, some heads, your headlights, packs, radiator, firewall, dual carburetors there, looks like, alternator, and coil. Here's your root beer covered barrels. I guess so you can put whatever you want to put in there. And here's your standard Revell tires that really common with the Revell kits. Here's your instruction sheet. It goes over kind of the background of the car if you feel like reading that. And then Revell has really good instruction sheets usually. I'm sure this one's no different. Here's the parts list, color codes, whatever you want to do. I'll assemble the engine. You go start with your suspension system, installing the engine, your rear seats, and putting your barrels together. Installing your bucket seats, dash, the windows, sunroof you want, the rear gate assembly. Probably make sure you put that on there properly because that so it opens or closes or don't close depending on what you plan on doing. And then installing the so everything there, and then you can decide where you want, what details you want to put on there, or all that. Here's the decal sheet. It got, looks like it's got your instrument cluster. It got the Kentucky. What is that? Kentucky barrel. And root beer stickers.
Yes, it's Kentucky Craft Barrel Company.
Looks like Pop's ice cream if you want to do that. Then a bunch of gold leaf stickers and some got radio. Goodyear PF Goodrich radio stuff you can put on there. Shit looks like a Chevy license plate and a few other license plates. So you can put on whatever you like.
Well, that was everything that came in the kit. We will be building this for the channel. I'm looking forward to it, including our little monster. She wants to help build this one. She's been looking forward to this one since it was revealed that it was coming out this year.
As soon as we can find some root beer colored paint.
Yeah, we're just having some trouble getting some root beer colored paint because our theme is going to be root beer because our family likes root beer. But we hope you enjoyed watching, and we hope you join us when we will be building this for the channel. And we hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.